I am waking up to a winter wonderland. It's a pretty nasty storm out. I'm glad I didn't have to drive. Uh, they put me up in a hotel overnight to make sure I was here so that I could do the work I needed to do. That was nice of them. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to drive home in this because I don't plan to stay here overnight. I have to work someplace else tomorrow. But wow, look at this, man. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it looks pretty bad. So I don't know. Well, we're off to the job now. And luckily, I get to stay pretty much indoors for most of the day. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, hope you can see this. This is crazy. But we're looking at a Snownado. The snow's actually creating a vortex here. I don't think it's dangerous. But wow, you can actually hear the wind too. It's that bad. This area is kind of known for wind. We're really close to the ocean, close to Boston Harbor. It's why they call it the seaport. It's why they call this the Western Waterfront. Mind you, the waterfront is kind of a misnomer. We're nowhere near the water, but oh my God! Wow, look at that! Wow, crazy. All right, so I just spent the night in a hotel, and I'm about ready to head out into the blizzard and head home. Wish me luck. I've driven in worse. Well, maybe not worse, but I'm a New England boy, so I'm used to driving in this kind of crazy weather. And I drive standard, so I can use the engine to help slow me down, should I need to, and gain more control and torque with the vehicle. I'm mostly going to be driving on a covered highway, so it shouldn't be that bad, but yeah, getting home is going to be a challenge, but I'm ready. Piece of cake. Well, now I gotta figure out how to get in my driveway since it's plowed over. On to step 2. All right, so I had to stay overnight last night in a hotel so I could be ready for my job through this blizzard, which is still raging. It's not nearly as bad as it was, but it's pretty bad. And got home, shoveled off the driveway, and then cooked this. It's a homemade meatball sub made with fathead dough, so it's a low carb. I can't wait to eat it. I need calories because I've been shoveling snow and at work. What's my pedometer say? Let's see. We're going to do this live. Well, not live because you're going to be seeing this later. But what's my pedometer say today for steps? Between 12. Can we see this? No. Okay. You got to trust me. It says 12,411. So I have walked 5.28 miles. And I've burned 463 calories. That doesn't include actually lifting the snow and all the work I do at work. So Yeah, hungry. Well, that's it for the Blizzard edition. Remember to hit the like button on the video if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel. And tomorrow, more wacky adventures. Off to see a play, if the weather isn't too crazy, which it could be. Stay tuned, you'll find out.